Cảm ơn bạn rất nhiều vì đã thấu hiểu.
All right. Okay. Did you hear that?
Gì? Nào học đấy.
Hello, baby.
Hello, teacher.
Okay. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Okay. So once again, I am so sorry that teacher needs to reschedule our time. And thank you. Thank you so much for allowing teacher. Okay. So now, are you ready to start with our class tonight?
Yes.
Okay. So we are go. Oh, by the way, did you eat already?
Yes.
Did you eat for tonight, baby?
Eat chicken.
Oh, chicken. All right. So for tonight, we are going to talk about the continuation of your house. So can you describe your house again? How many floors does your house have?
It's four.
4 floors?
Yes.
That's so big. How many are you live in your house? How many were you live at your house?
It's mm, bathroom,
Uh-huh.
bedroom,
How many
bedroom.
bathroom do you have?
It's
Okay, wait. Oh, wait, baby. How many are you that lives in your
Nhóm bạn
house?
có bao nhiêu
Oh, no,
người?
How many lives in your house?
Có bao nhiêu chiếc lá trong nhà bạn? Có bao nhiêu người sống trong nhà bạn?
it's a four.
Ah, four. So how many bedroom does your house have? How many bedroom does your house have?
It's a four.
4 bedroom. How about bathroom?
Two.
2 bathroom. How about living room? How many living room do you have?
It's one.
Only one living room. So how, where are you right now? Are you at the living room? Are you at the living room right now?
Yes.
All right. So now we already talked about this. So let's just have a review. So first, let's say apartment. Hello?
No. Hello, teacher.
Ah, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Do you need to do something first?
No, no.
Ah, okay.
Speak,
All right.
teacher.
Okay, baby. So now let's say apartment.
Apartment.
Okay, I live in an apartment.
I live in apartment.
House.
Do you live in he live a house?
Okay, all right. How about let's practice answer the questions by filling in the blanks. So you need to answer according to the pictures that you saw on the screen, okay? So first, do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in a apartment.
Apartment. Okay, how about this one? Does she live in a house or an apartment?
She live in a house.
Okay. Does he live in an apartment?
No, he live in a house.
Do they live in a house?
No, they live in a apartment.
All right. Okay. So now, baby, exercise 2, vocabulary. Listen and repeat these words with your tutor. Okay. So what is this?
Kitchen,
Kitchen. How about this one?
living room,
Living room. How about this?
bedroom,
Bedroom. Okay. How about this one?
bathroom,
Bathroom. And how about this?
garage,
Okay. Garage. Okay. Can you say it again? Garage.
garage,
Okay.
garage,
Garage. Okay. How about this
garage,
one, baby? What is this?
yard,
Yard. Do you? Okay. How about this one?
swimming pool,
Swimming pool. Okay. Can you say it again?
swimming pool.
Okay. So now, baby Mian, do you have a garage?
No.
So where do you park your car?
2.
If you don't have a garage, where do you park your car?
Nếu không có gara, bạn đỗ xe ở đâu?
It's outside.
Outside. How about yard? Do you have a yard?
Yes.
Okay. Is your yard big or small?
It's small.
Oh, it's small. Do you also play at your yard?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you usually play at your yard?
It's a football.
Football. Who do you play with?
It's a friend and
Ayun,
my
ate.
family.
Ayun, asa ba? Your friend and your family?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So now, baby, complete the sentences by filling in the blanks. So you need to look at this one, the picture. For example, I have a bedroom and a bathroom.
I
Okay,
have
how
a
about this one? I have a bedroom and a...
bathroom. A bathroom.
Okay, how about this one?
I
What
have
is this?
garage.
We have a
We have a garage.
garage. We have a
Garage.
garage.
We have a
Okay,
garage.
okay, how about this one?
We have a kitchen, a living room, and 3 bathrooms.
We have a kitchen, a living room, and a bedroom. Nasa si Papa, babe? Okay, how about this one? What is this?
I have a bathroom.
I have a bed, huh? I have a
Bathroom.
bedroom, a
A
bathroom.
bathroom and a kitchen in my apartment.
Okay, in my apartment. Okay, so how about you, baby? How many bathroom again do you have?
I have it 4.
Okay, 4 bedroom. Okay, so now, baby, exercise 3 more vocabulary. So first, I need you to read this one. What is this?
New.
New. All right, next.
Is it new?
Okay, next one, small.
Small.
Okay, next.
It is small.
It is small. Okay, next.
Cheap.
Okay, just wait, baby. Pa, ang baki nasa likod sa ako ang kuan pa. Nang kat-kat na likod sa computer, basa man siya kayo. Wait, baby, there's a frog at the back of my computer. Do you know what is frog? Natagak. Huh? Ground ba dito eh? Wait, baby, as there is a frog at the back of my computer. Paano ba? Wait for me, baby, mean as there is a frog at the back of my computer.
Đợi anh với cưng ơi, có con ếch ở phía sau máy tính. Đợi anh nhé cưng, có một con ếch ở phía sau máy tính của anh.
and we catch the frog. Actually, we are many here with my kids right now. Pakita sa mo dong. They're here. Hello. Okay, wait. Let me have this one again. All right. So now, how about this one? Cheap.
Cheap.
It is cheap.
It is cheap.
Okay, next. Old.
It is an old house.
Okay, next. Big.
Big.
Okay. It is a big house.
It is a big house.
Okay, next. Expensive.
expensive.
Okay, it is an expensive apartment.
It is an expensive apartment.
All right. Okay. So now, baby, let's practice. Tell your tutor the answer that has the opposite meaning to each sentence. For example, it is expensive. So the opposite for that one is it is cheap. Okay. So number one, it is expensive.
It is it is past it is new. It is
Uh,
cheap.
okay. Okay. It is an old house.
It is new house.
It is big.
It is a small.
Okay. It is a new apartment.
It is a old small apartment.
Okay. It is a cheap apartment.
It is a big it is a expensive apartment.
All right, it is expensive apartment. Okay, ipuso sa nanyo ko. All right, so now baby, exercise number 4, dialogue. Read the dialogue aloud. Hinay ko. Aloud with your tutor, you will be Ling. Okay? So I am going to be the teacher and you need to read about Ling. Okay?
Okay.
Kana po ko yan. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, do you live in a house or apartment, Ling?
I live in a house.
What is your house like?
It is big.
Okay, it is new.
It is yeah, it is.
What rooms do you have in your house?
I have four bedroom, two bathroom, kitchen and living room.
Do you have a yard?
Yes, I have a yard and garage. How about
Garage.
you? Garage. How about you?
I live in an apartment. I don't have a yard. I have a swimming pool.
Cool.
All right, so now exercise 5, matching. Tell your tutor the correct answer to each question. Okay, number 1.
Mhm.
Do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in a house.
Okay. Does he live in an apartment?
No, he live in a house.
Okay. No, he lives in a house. Okay, letter A. Do you have a yard?
No, he live in a house.
Okay, next. What rooms do you have in your house?
No, I doesn't.
Okay. Do you have a yard? No.
I don't.
Okay, no, I don't. Next, what rooms do you have in your house?
I have bathroom and chicken.
Kitchen. Chicken. What chicken? What chicken, baby?
A kitchen.
Kitchen. Okay.
Mm.
Okay, I have a bedroom, a bathroom, and a kitchen. Next, what is your house like?
Uh, it is a new house.
Okay, is it old?
Yes, it is.
Okay, next. Exercise 6, fill in the blanks. Read the dialogue aloud with your tutor and fill in the blanks. You will be Arisa. Okay, so I am going to be the teacher again and you are going to be Arisa, okay?
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, not number. Okay, first, do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in a apartment.
What is your apartment like?
It is small.
Okay, is it new?
No, it is old.
What rooms do you have in your apartment?
Uh, I have a bathroom, a kitchen,
And
and a bathroom.
okay, next. Do you have a garage?
No, I have a garage.
What may be it?
No, I don't. No, I don't have
No,
garage.
I don't have a garage. Okay, next. Do you have swimming pool?
No, I don't. I have a swimming pool.
No, I don't have a swimming pool. Okay, so next, ordering. Exercise 7, ordering. Put the words into the correct order. For example, live in a house. So that's the correct version will be I live in a house. Okay, how
Ooh.
about number 1, baby? What is number 1?
I live in a house.
Number 2,
Do you live in an apartment?
number 3.
It is new.
Okay, number 4.
Do you have a yard?
Okay, number 5.
I have bathroom 3. I have 3 bedroom.
I have 3 bathroom. Number 6.
I don't have a garage.
I don't have a garage. Number 7.
It is small.
Okay, number 8.
It is we don't have a swimming pool.
Okay, we don't have a swimming pool. Okay, so how about this one? Exercise 8, your turn to ask your tutor these questions. So you need to ask me these questions, baby, then I will answer you based on the answers that we have right now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so number 1, what is number 1?
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house.
What room do you have in your house apartment?
We have 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 1 living room, and 1 kitchen.
What is your house apartment like?
Okay. Our house is just simple and it's neat.
Do you have a yard?
Yes, we have a big yard.
Do you have a swimming pool?
We don't have a swimming pool.
Teacher, I go toilet.
Oh, yeah, sure, baby. Okay, since we only have 2 minutes left, let's just end the class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, baby.
Cảm xúc của cái kết luận phép trò chuyện vui vẻ thú vị, trò chuyện giống như là những người bạn đang chơi đấy chung và chia một trả lời xin hãy lựa chọn một phù hợp với mình, lựa chọn một chia là hai người viên hai người viên
Con coi con bà bà cho con học một con rồi con nó xoa ông mà
Hi,
con
good evening.
xe con trong những điều rất là ấn tượng trong những sự tự tin như một tại sao vì là một chất cá nhân một hai đã theo dõi sự tự tin của quốc gia Việt Nam chủ động sâu tại nó trong cái năm chơi này thì đã có thời điểm và phải tiến bộ sân bay là một vấn đề do phải chịu trừng có sóc rồi chúng ta có cái sỏi đương nhiên rồi có thể không đáp cho cái sự đáp và xếp của phe của những kim sáng xếp hai người khác thì sự
nó lên xuống nó
Đã tí không?
không là chưa
Finish teacher.
Okay, baby. All right, so how about this one? I will be asking you the same questions, okay?
Do you have garage?
Okay, no, I will be asking you the questions already, okay?
Okay.
Okay, do you live in a house or apartment?
I live in a house.
Okay, next. What rooms do you have in your house?
It's a 4 bathroom in the house.
All right. Okay, so how about what is your house or apartment like?
I like house.
Okay, so what does it look like, baby?
I like
Is it
house.
big or small?
It's big and beautiful.
Oh, big and beautiful. That's nice. Okay, next. Do you have a yard?
Yes, I have a yard small.
Oh, you have a small yard. Do you have a swimming pool?
No, I don't have swimming pool.
Okay, how about do you have a garage?
No, I don't have a garage.
All right. Okay, so now, baby, since we don't have much enough time to extend our class, so for tonight, baby Mian, thank you so much for tonight. See you again on Friday. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Goodbye, baby
teacher.
Mian.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Good night.
Good night.